friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Agya Amatya, and in this video I am going to show you an interesting project on displaying our custom message in 8x32 matrix display. So let's start. In this project we need 8x32 matrix display, jumper wires and Arduino Uno. I have connected matrix display with Arduino Uno, VCC with 5 volts, GND with GND, DIN with digital pin 11, CS with digital pin 10, CLK with digital pin 13. I am in Arduino IDE. I have already done coding, so let's see the code. Here in line number 17, we can adjust the brightness. Now I will show you the difference before changing the brightness and after changing the brightness. Now I will upload the code before changing the brightness. I have changed the brightness to 0. Now I will upload the code. Now you can see the brightness is dimmer than before. Now I will show you how to write custom message. First I will go to serial monitor and type my message inside. And you can see the message in display. Thank you for watching my video and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.